Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how you can sign out your Google account from your Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my mobile screen, and so every Android phone has a different setting option and different interface. So I will show you the easiest way that you can remove your or log out your Google account from your Android phone. So you have to use your Gmail application. So every phone has Gmail application. Just open a Gmail application, and you can see, if I click on this profile photo, I have many accounts which I log in my account. So how you can remove it, if you want to remove this one, or if you want to log out this one, I can log out easily. So demo netcast at the gmail account to remove this. So go to the manage account of this device. So it's directly bring you the account option of your setting, and now you have to find out this account. So I just want to this remove this one, and you can see now I can remove from here. So it is when you click on remove, it will be removed from your phone, means it is log out from your phone, but you can log in again, or you can log in from other device. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.